Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm whipping up something truly delightful, cheesy buttered sweet potato delight. Let's dive right in. First, give those sweet potatoes a good wash. Halve them, wrap the skins in foil, and let them steam for a cozy 15 minutes. Now, let's scoop out the sweet potato goodness into a mixing bowl. Add a generous dollop of butter and give it a good mix. Time to stuff that tasty mixture back into the sweet potato skins, smoothing it out to perfection. Here comes the Priesty Auntie dance. A generous sprinkle of gooey mozzarella cheese on top. Pop them into the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for a tantalizing 15 minutes. Voila! Your cheesy buttered sweet potato delight is ready to steal the show. Give this recipe a try and drop me a comment on how it turned out. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.